This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have Winrar ready and the items selected. Now begin. Right-click the chosen files and click Add to Archive. Once the dialog opens, you'll see Archive Name, Format, and Compression Method. Pick a clear archive name so you can find it later. Choose RAR or ZIP depending on compatibility needs. RAR gives better compression, ZIP is more universal. Also set the destination path here. Make sure there's enough disk space. Proceed when you've confirmed name, format, and location. Now configure the important middle options that determine speed, size, and security. Choose a compression method, fastest if time matters or best for smallest output. This trades CPU for size. If you need multiple parts, enter a volume size like 700M or 4G in split to volumes. For password protection, click Set Password, enter and verify it, and select AES 256 encryption for stronger security. Finally, review advanced options such as recovery record. As Winrar completes, watch the progress window for errors and estimated time. Once done, make sure to test the archive. Right-click it and choose Open then Test, or extract to a temporary folder to confirm files are intact. If extraction fails or the archive is corrupted, first try Winrar's repair feature or recreate the archive with a recovery record enabled. Also confirm disk space and file permissions. If using a password, ensure it's correct. Remember to archive backups and verify before deleting originals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.